Welcome to English with Alice. I'm Alice, and this is our Eiken 5 Vocabulary List 1. Before we get started, please take the time to subscribe and hit that notification bell to be notified of our upcoming videos. In this video, you will learn the most common and required words to study successfully for your Eiken 5 test. Alright? So let's study together. Let's begin. Bird, bird. Zebra, zebra. Elephant, elephant. Dinosaur, dinosaur. Fox, fox. Goldfish, goldfish. Duck, duck. Horse, horse. Rabbit, rabbit. Wolf, wolf. Happy, happy. Sad, sad. Sick, sick. Angry, angry. Sleepy, sleepy. Salad, salad. Carrot, carrot. Apple, apple. Peach, peach. Spaghetti, spaghetti. Orange, orange. Soup, soup. Onion, onion. Police officer, police officer. Student, student. Teacher, teacher. Doctor, doctor. Cook, cook. Park, park. Good morning, good morning. Good afternoon, good afternoon. Good evening, good evening. See you next time, see you next time. It's hot, open the window. Dancing, dancing. Running, running. fishing, fishing. Scissors, scissors. Window, window. Table, table. Chair, chair. Sofa, sofa. TV, TV. On the table. Under the table. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to be notified of our upcoming videos. You can also check our other content by clicking on one of the videos on this screen or in the description below. Happy studying, everyone! See you next time!